Morning, Mohammed. How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Thank you.
First time jumping?
Yes.
Tell me how you're feeling.
I'm really excited, but scary as
A little
well.
nervous, huh?
Yes.
You gotta enjoy the nerves, man. We're gonna look after you.
Yes.
Yeah, I've been wanting to jump for a while, huh?
Yes.
Today's the day. The weather's beautiful. Understand all the instructions?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're gonna have some fun? Okay, man. Big smiles. I'll see you in the sky.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly. I can fly. I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed.
My friend! We made it! Woo! Yeah! Hi to the camera!
Oh my god.
Come back. How you doing, my man?
It's very hard.
Yeah, it's scary.
Scary.
Yeah, would you do it again though?
No.
No, one time only.
No.
Thanks for jumping the Skydive Dubai, my man.
Thank you so much.